Today, I'm showing you how to sew a removable baby collar that ties at the back. It's a timeless ruffled design that adds a touch of elegance to any baby outfit. And the best part? It's so easy to make you won't even need a pattern. Under the tutorial, I've listed the measurements for 4 different collar sizes. If you'd like to make a bigger one, don't hesitate to ask me in the comments. Besides your sewing machine and the usual basic tools, you'll need a cotton fabric like poplin, broderie anglaise or even double gauze, thread that matches your fabric, a ribbon that's 36 inches long and about 1/4 inch wide, a small safety pin, and some clear nail polish or one close to the ribbon collar. Alright, let's start by drawing a rectangle. The size will depend on the collar size you've chosen. In any case, make sure the longer side is perpendicular to the fabric grain. Then just cut a longer lines. Okay, first we're going to hem the 2 short sides of the collar. Take your iron and fold the edge over by 1/4 inch. Now fold it again, this time 3/8 inch from the edge. Then pin it to hold it in place. You will repeat the exact same steps on the other short side. Alright, time to get on the sewing machine. Don't forget to backstitch at the beginning and end. We're sewing on the wrong side using a stretch stitch 1/8 inch from the inner edge of the fold. Now let's move on to the hem at the bottom of the collar. So, I'm going to show you my little trick to make the hem as thin and therefore as smooth as possible. Here we go. First, press a single fold 3/8 inch from the edge. Then pin. Then stitch down with a stretch stitch 3/16 inch from the edge. Carefully trim the excess fabric, making sure not to cut the thread. Your scissors should sit right against the seam like this. Now we can easily fold that edge again, tight this time. You'll see, it kind of folds itself. Press it again, then pin. And finally, sew this hem down, again on the wrong side, 1/8 inch from the inner edge. See how fine and smooth it turns out? It curves so nicely, unlike a wide hem which can be stiff or form little ripples. Alright, now we're going to make the casing at the top of the collar where the ribbon will go. Start by folding over 1/4 inch. Then fold again about 1/2 inch from the edge. As usual, pin it in place. Now all we have to do is stitch the casing down on the wrong side, 1/8 inch from the inner edge. Now for the ribbon, we'll use the safety pin to guide it through the casing. But first, to keep the pin from tearing the ribbon, I suggest wrapping a little bit of tape around one end, like this. Then, stick the safety pin through the taped part and slide it into the casing. Push it all the way through the other end. Once that's done, center the collar roughly in the middle of the ribbon. Then gather the fabric until it reaches the length mentioned in the description for your chosen size. In my case, that's 12.5 inches. Before we move on to the final touches, add a pin at each end of the casing. Then, make a few hand stitches at the seam to secure the ribbon to the collar. Your removable collar is almost done. We just need to trim the ribbons to make sure both ends are the same length, leaving about 10 inches. I recommend cutting on the diagonal, it will look prettier. We can't leave the ribbon edges raw, because they will fray, but we also can't sew them since they are too thin. So here a little trick for you. We'll put a tiny bit of clear nail polish on the ends. And once you have evenly distributed the gathers on your baby's removable collar, you'll have an adorable handmade accessory. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. See you soon for another tutorial!